Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on a day that feels more like autumn, bright, breezy, quite cool and very dry for this time of year. Ultra low humidity levels looking at Lincoln right now as we take a peek at the temperatures. As of the 3 o'clock hour, generally in the upper 50s to lower 60s, should be more like 71 this time of year, and enough of a breeze to make these numbers feel cooler and only getting colder overnight. We have a freeze watch that's in effect. Also, the red flag warning, or what's called the fire weather warning, expires at 8 o'clock this evening. But even beyond that, still no outdoor burning, gusty winds, low humidity, and dry brush. So we have to continue with being careful with any kind of ignition sources and things like that. Meanwhile, of all things, a freeze watch. This is for very late tonight, and now this would be after midnight and into early on Thursday morning. Temperatures around 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, getting down to the upper 20s to lower 30s. So the breakdown with that high fire danger for a while longer into the early evening hours, the freeze watch as well. Looking ahead towards the weekend, showers for part of it. Right now we're leaning towards Saturday, with Sunday being the drier and the warmer day. I got temperatures by Sunday, it should recover back to about 70, 75. Skies are generally clear across New England right now. Here's the latest satellite photo. You take a look at the autumn-like air, the area shaded in blue up in northern New England and southeastern Canada. That is the cooler air or colder air that continues to filter in. And it's not just the cool conditions, but also extremely dry. When we look at the dew points, this is pretty unusual for spring. Generally this kind of dry air, these dew points are reserved for autumn and winter. So quite simply, there's, it's like desert air, extremely dry. And rule of thumb, dry air cools off more rapidly at night. And it's one reason why our temperatures will tumble. So we take a look at the forecast by 5 a.m. under clear skies. It's down into the mid-30s, but sunshine gets to work and temperatures do recover Thursday afternoon into the low 60s, which is obviously a lot better, but still below average for this time of year. But tons of sunshine for your Thursday. Thursday night looks clear, cool, but not as cold. And here we are on Friday with a mix of clouds and sunshine, breezy and milder. Should get temperatures up into the upper 60s by Friday afternoon. Friday night looking okay. And then that precipitation for the weekend, and you can see really two areas, one across the Great Lakes and one moving up from the mid-Atlantic into southern New England by Saturday morning. So right now, Sunday appears to be the better day this weekend. Get a quick look at the temperatures. We're going to start at Thursday morning at around 3 a.m. It's already down in the mid and upper 30s, and here we are. We're going to bottom out around 5, 6 in the morning on Thursday, down to about 30, 35. Not out of the question for a few outlying areas, down to about 29 degrees. Then sunshine gets to work, and you can see the decent recovery by Thursday afternoon. And here we are Thursday evening, cool temperatures back into the 50s. So for tonight, clear skies. Oh, for this evening, clear skies. By 11 o'clock, we're down to 43, so chilly, and then naturally overnight towards daybreak, getting even colder. So a frosty start on your Thursday, cold start on your Thursday morning. May have a hard time creating frost just because the air is so dry, but certainly cold at 6 a.m. By 11 a.m., it's in the upper 50s with a good deal of sunshine, and looking at a nice afternoon with deep blue skies. I mean, still cool for this time of year, but otherwise nice sunshine and temperatures reaching the lower 60s.